Welcome back to my channel. This is Chef Jzotic. Today we'll be cooking some kidney and rice with a side of fried breadfruit. We already had some browning, black pepper, seasoning salt, and thyme, and a little garlic and tomato. Then we're gonna add some onions, scallion, and pepper. First, we're gonna add some coconut oil. Garlic is a must. I love to burn my garlic because it gives the food much better taste. And the rest of your seasoning. You might say, why didn't you put all the seasoning in the kidneys? But some people do and some don't. I find it when I do it this way, like kind of saute my seasoning in the pot before it's put in the kidney, it gives it a much better taste. Gonna add your kidney. Looks beautiful. Then you're gonna cover it and let it cook for like 20 minutes. But you can check on it. Now we're gonna fry our breadfruit. I like fried breadfruit, but I rather it when it just come out the oven like this, or if you're frying it on wood fire. But I rather it, but I like it more baked than fried, but some people like it fried. Remember guys, when you're frying your breadfruit, you don't put the salt in the pot because that's gonna damage the oil. So let it fry first, take it out, and then put how much salt you want on your breadfruit, okay? It's almost been 10 minutes, still cooking. This is what it looks like. Just to let you know, you don't need to add water because it does its own water. So yeah, just cover it and let it cook. Guys, here you have it. It's almost done. Almost. Over 20 minutes, and I do it 10 more minutes. It's simmering down now, and then you can serve it here. Have it guys, kalalo, white rice, kidney, piece of yam, and fried breadfruit. Thank you for watching.
For watching. Bye.